Ever wondered how some investors seem to grow their wealth while keeping risk in check? Today, I am diving into the world of ETF investing to uncover the powerful advantages that could completely reshape how you build your portfolio. Stick around, you might just find your next favorite investment strategy. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, have taken the investment world by storm, and for good reason. They combine flexibility, diversification, and accessibility in a way that traditional funds simply can't match. But what exactly are ETFs, and how do they work? In simple terms, ETFs are investment funds traded on the stock exchange, just like individual stocks. They hold a collection of assets such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, allowing investors to buy or sell shares throughout the day with ease. ETFs have grown increasingly popular among investors, and it's easy to understand why. They offer transparency and control that many mutual funds lack. With ETFs, you can see exactly what's inside your portfolio and trade at any time during market hours. Still, many investors remain unsure about how ETFs actually fit into a well-diversified investment strategy. One of the biggest reasons ETFs stand out is their versatility. You can use them to target a specific sector or asset class, or to diversify your entire portfolio with minimal effort. With thousands of ETFs available globally, there's almost always one that aligns perfectly with your financial goals and comfort with risk. The investing world can feel intimidating, especially when you're just getting started. With endless jargon and complex investment vehicles, many beginners hesitate to take the first step. Traditional mutual funds, for instance, often come with confusing fee structures and limited trading flexibility, which can discourage new investors from getting involved. A common misconception is that ETFs are only meant for advanced investors. In reality, ETFs are designed for everyone, whether you're a beginner looking to start small or an experienced investor aiming to fine-tune your strategy. The key is understanding how ETFs differ from mutual funds in structure, cost, and overall benefits. Another concern investors often raise is liquidity, how easily shares can be bought or sold. Fortunately, most ETFs are extremely liquid, with narrow bid-ask spreads and strong trading volumes. Thanks to modern online brokerages, buying or selling an ETF is now as easy as trading a stock. Choosing the right ETFs can be challenging because the options are nearly endless. The best way to start is by doing your research, identifying your financial goals, and assessing your risk tolerance. Once you have a clear vision, it becomes much easier to select ETFs that align with your personal strategy. The benefits of ETF investing are extensive. They offer instant diversification, giving you access to a wide range of assets in a single trade. This helps balance risk and potential reward. ETFs also tend to be far more cost-efficient than mutual funds, with lower management fees and fewer overhead expenses. Another major benefit is tax efficiency. Because ETFs don't have to sell underlying securities when investors redeem shares, they generate fewer taxable capital gains. This makes them an appealing choice for anyone aiming to keep more of their investment returns. Transparency is another reason investors love ETFs. You always know exactly what you're invested in. That's especially important for those who care about sustainability, ethics, or corporate responsibility. And since ETFs trade throughout the day, you have full flexibility to react quickly to market shifts. In addition to these perks, ETFs also give investors remarkable control. Whether you want exposure to the global market, a specific country, or a single industry, there's likely an ETF built for it. This level of choice makes it easier to craft a portfolio that truly reflects your investment goals. Take the example of an investor looking to tap into the technology sector. Instead of buying individual tech stocks, they could purchase an ETF like the Technology Select Sector SPDR Fund. With one trade, they gain exposure to multiple leading tech companies, spreading out risk while maintaining strong growth potential. This same approach can be used across industries from healthcare to energy or even emerging markets. By combining different ETFs, investors can build a diversified and balanced portfolio tailored to their goals and timeline. Now, here's something that's often overlooked. ETFs also play a crucial role in long-term wealth building. Their low costs and compounding returns make them ideal for retirement accounts and long-term investment plans. Even small, consistent contributions can grow significantly over time. Another advantage is accessibility. Many ETFs allow investors to get started with relatively low amounts of money. This opens the door for younger investors or those just starting out to participate in markets that once required significant capital. Investors also appreciate that ETFs can be used strategically, for example, to hedge against inflation or currency fluctuations. Some ETFs even focus on commodities like gold or oil, helping investors diversify beyond traditional stocks and bonds. The takeaway is simple. ETFs combine flexibility, transparency, and affordability in a way few other investment vehicles do. They're not just a trend, they're a smarter, more modern approach to investing that fits almost any financial goal. So, why should you consider adding ETFs to your investment portfolio? They help you spread out risk, lower costs, and gain exposure to countless opportunities around the world. For anyone serious about growing wealth efficiently, ETFs are hard to ignore. In conclusion, ETFs provide a practical, cost-effective, and transparent way to invest, whether you're just starting or looking to fine-tune your existing strategy. Understanding ETF investing can help you make smarter, more confident financial decisions. Thanks for watching. If you've invested in ETFs before, share your experience in the comments below. And if you want to keep learning about smart investing strategies, make sure to check out my other videos. There's a lot more coming your way.